Throughout this video, I'll show you how to set a product as featured and display it in your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is actually set our product as featured. So we'll navigate over to products or products, and I'll show you 3 different methods in how you can actually do this, okay? Okay, so the first method is we can click on one of these star icons. So let's say we wanted to set this particular product as featured. We can just click this star icon here, and then this particular product will be set as featured. Another way is we can click on quick edit. Okay, and then here where it says visibility, we can click featured here and then just click update. Okay, last but not least, let's say we wanted to bulk set a few items as featured. We will select the items in which we want to set as featured, and then we'll click on where it says bulk action. We'll click edit and then apply. And then if we scroll down here where it says featured, we'll just change this to yes, and then we'll just hit update. Okay, so that's how you set a product as featured. Now I'll show you how you can actually display these featured products across your store, okay? Okay, so let's say we wanted to display these featured products on our homepage. We will navigate over to our store page, and then we'll just edit the page. Okay, so to add our featured products, we just need to enter in this particular shortcode here. So essentially just featured products, and then here we can specify the number of featured products we want to display per page. For example, we could say 4, and in a column we can set it to whatever we want. So we can say 4 as well. We can sort the order and order description as well. So let's just hit update. Okay, and then we'll view our homepage. Now when we scroll down, we should be able to see our featured products here. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.